On March 5th, 21-year-old Everal Martinez was brought to Magistrate's court under the tightest security in memory, as an angry crowd of protesters called for his head. The stepfather to 17-month-old toddler Allyssa Nunez had been accused of 2 counts of attempted rape of a child and 2 other counts of attempted assault of a child, which he denied through defense attorney Oscar Delgado. But he was remanded to prison because, as explained by Director of Public Prosecutions Cheryl Vidal, bigger charges were coming.
We had, of course, intended to object to bail because of the seriousness of the offense, the likely sentence to be imposed, and the publicity that this had garnered, which all go towards suggesting that he may not later on have submitted himself willingly to the jurisdiction of the court. But we were actually informed before court sat by the attorney for the defense that he would not have been making any application for bail because he had understood that the victim had passed away and he anticipated that a more serious charge would be levied subsequently.
This morning, as the 20,000-strong event took place across town at the Marion Jones Sporting Complex, there was no baying crowd, no barricades, no flashing cameras. Just police from Criminal Investigation Branch rushing Martinez in a police mobile to court and then back to the central prison after the arraignment. As expected, the new charges are murder, rape of a child, and assault of a child under 16 by penetration. They are all indictable offenses, and in the case of murder, not usually subject to bail. So tightly under wraps was the arraignment held that not even Attorney Delgado was present, procedural though these matters usually are. There was no family present for Allyssa, not even her mom or dad. Senior Magistrate Arita Ford read the charges and returned Martinez to custody at the Belize Central Prison until May 18th, the date originally given on the previous charges. But even though he wasn't there today, Delgado has made clear that Martinez considers himself innocent, and so should the rest of society until he is tried.
So that in Belize, this thing about demonstration and so that I'm seeing happening, it is good because a crime like this cannot be tolerated at any level in society. But at the same time, we want to make sure that we have the right person arrested and charged. So it is no good right now, the public heralding death for Everal Martinez, when in fact he is an innocent person, and the wrong person could be in jail while a guilty person walks the street. So I'm saying until the man is given a fair trial by an independent and impartial court, let us treat him as an accused person, merely as a suspect person, because that is what he is, a suspect in an alleged offense.
Aaron Humes reporting for News 5.